Alright, so this is going to be the third part of our lawnmower series, and today I'll show you how to change your spark plug. So with the engine cold, you're going to want to come and remove the spark plug wire. Then I'm using a 5/8 spark plug socket and a 1" 3/8 drive extension. So there's the spark plug removed. Go ahead, bring it in. So now this plug itself looks pretty good still. It's starting to get a little bit of carbon fouling going on, but it's still okay to use. So then if you need to replace these plugs, you can just take it to the auto parts store. So this one's a NGK FR4, which you can get the same plug or have a guy at the counter look it up in the book and then match it accordingly. The reason I'm using a spark plug socket over a regular socket though, so if you take the spark plug socket and you stick the spark plug in, it'll stay in. So now going back over to the motor, stick the spark plug in, make sure you don't cross thread it, and still make sure you're doing this on a cold engine, because if you over tighten a spark plug into a hot engine, you could seize it up, and then if you try and remove that plug later, you'll mess up the threads. And then you'll just take your socket off, put the boot back on, and you're ready to go.